What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going back to Edane and we are doing Hell Edan. It has been a while since I have checked out Edane. They were awesome before. I'm sure they are still going to be awesome in this one as well. Super excited to be checking some more out. I'm not sure if this is a music video or what this is. It does say exclusive video clip on whatever. But you know what? We're gonna check it out. First one on the list. So let's jump straight into the video. Here we go.
Mesmerized.
Terdengar tegas nyanyian cadas, gejolak semangat teriakan yang berapi, menghujam tajam, menghantam kejam. Saya bergitar dengan drum
man, they're so good, man. They know how to rock. It's been a while. I've missed them a lot. I don't know what to say. Loved it. Loved it. You guys have any more suggestions of Edane or anyone else? Feel free to throw those in the comment section so I can put you guys on that list. And if you have any suggestions you want me to do right away, down in the description below I have a link for Patreon where you can pretty much do that. That's the end, man. Check out tomorrow when I post another video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.